Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pickleball paddles that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or a pro, finding the right paddle can make all the difference in your game. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Helium Pickleball Paddles set of 4. This is a great option for families, schools, or recreational players who want to get everyone involved. The set comes with 4 paddles, 4 balls, 2 indoor and 2 outdoor, and a handy sports bag to carry everything. It's a complete package that allows you to dive right into the game without needing to source additional gear. What makes the Helium paddles stand out is their fiberglass face combined with a lightweight honeycomb core. This design strikes a balance between power and control, making it suitable for players of all skill levels. The oversized 15.9 inches by 7.75 inch surface area provides a generous sweet spot, ideal for beginners who need a bit of forgiveness in their shots. The grips are sweat-absorbent and non-slip, ensuring comfort during extended play sessions. However, while the Helium paddles are versatile, they lack the advanced performance features that competitive players might seek, such as textured surfaces for increased spin. They're also on the lighter side, which may not suit those who prefer a bit more heft for power shots. Overall, this set is perfect for casual players or families looking for an affordable, all-in-one solution. Pros: complete set, lightweight design, large sweet spot. Cons: not ideal for advanced spin techniques, lighter than some may prefer. At number 4, we have the Jonkei Pickleball Paddles set of 4. This USAPA-approved set is designed with versatility and value in mind. Included in the package are 4 fiberglass paddles, 2 outdoor balls, 2 indoor balls, replacement grip tapes, and a well-constructed carrying bag. It's a fantastic option for those who want variety and quality without breaking the bank. The Jonkei paddles are made from high-grade fiberglass, ensuring stiffness and strength. At 8 ounces per paddle, they are lightweight yet balanced, reducing fatigue during extended play. The paddles also feature a large sweet spot, making them beginner-friendly, while still offering enough control for intermediate players. The grips are cushioned, perforated, and sweat-absorbent, adding to the overall comfort and precision. That said, the fiberglass surface may not offer as much spin potential as carbon fiber options, which advanced players might find limiting. The noise-dampening polypropylene core is a great feature for quieter play, but it might not provide the same pop or responsiveness as higher-end paddles. Pros: complete set with accessories, lightweight design, beginner and intermediate friendly. Cons: less spin potential, not as powerful as carbon fiber paddles. Coming in at number 3 is the M10 Pickleball Paddle Set. This USAPA-approved set is designed for players who value control and precision. It includes 2 fiberglass paddles, 4 outdoor balls, adhesive grip tapes, and a carry bag, making it convenient for players who want a ready-to-go setup. The standout feature of the M10 paddles is their fiberglass face combined with a polypropylene honeycomb core, which minimizes vibrations and provides a stable, consistent feel. At just under 8 ounces, these paddles are in the medium weight range, offering a good balance of power and maneuverability. The ergonomic grip is sweat-absorbent and cushioned, ensuring comfort even during long matches. Additionally, the wide paddle face provides a large sweet spot, making it forgiving for off-center hits. While the M10 paddles are excellent for players of all levels, their fiberglass surface doesn't produce as much spin as carbon fiber paddles. They're great for recreational and intermediate players, but may not meet the performance demands of advanced competitors. Pros: well-rounded design, large sweet spot, reduced vibration. Cons: limited spin potential, basic design aesthetics. At number 2, we have the Tenvina Pickleball Paddle by NHYN. This paddle is the definition of high performance, featuring a multi-layer T700 SC carbon fiber face that is lightweight, yet incredibly durable. The textured matte surface provides excellent friction, making it a top choice for players who prioritize spin and precision. The THC polymer honeycomb core enhances stability and creates a larger sweet spot, providing consistent power and control across the paddle face. The paddle is available in different shapes and thicknesses, allowing players to choose the configuration that best suits their playstyle, whether it's defensive, offensive, or an all-around approach. The ergonomic grip is designed with ridged protrusions and sweat-wicking features, ensuring maximum comfort and control during intense gameplay. The sleek black design with subtle blue accents adds a touch of sophistication to your game. While this paddle is an outstanding choice for advanced players, its premium construction comes at a higher price point. Additionally, it may be too specialized for casual players who just want to get started. Pros: exceptional spin and control, customizable options, premium materials. Cons: expensive for beginners, may require a learning curve for optimal use. And finally, our top pick at number 1 is the Jojo Lemon Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. This paddle is a game changer, combining cutting-edge technology with thoughtful design. Featuring a 16mm Shark Power polymer core and a T700 SC carbon fiber face, it excels in both spin and consistency, giving players an edge in competitive play. The paddle's thermoformed engineering ensures durability and stability even under high-intensity conditions. The Teflon coating enhances spin control and extends the paddle's lifespan, while the ultra-lightweight 8-ounce build allows for quick maneuverability. The grip is sweat-absorbing and impact-resistant, reducing fatigue during long matches. Additionally, the 16.42 by 7.4 dimensions provide a balanced sweet spot for power and precision. While this paddle is priced at $89.99, its performance and quality justify the cost, making it an excellent investment for serious players. Beginners might find the advanced features a bit overwhelming, but for intermediate and advanced players, it offers unparalleled value. Pros: exceptional spin and control, durable construction, lightweight design. Cons: advanced features may not suit beginners. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in narrowing down your options for the best pickleball paddle. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. See you in the next video.